Do you ever go to San Francisco, want to get a killer view of the Golden Gate Bridge? Check it out. There it is.
I don't see.
Hang on. There it is. Kind of fogged out. Well, hang with me.
I'm going to San Francisco.
Actually, I'm leaving San Francisco, but I am driving across the magnificent Golden Gate Bridge, which I decided to try something different this time. So I grabbed my GoPro Max, stuck it on a Tough Stick, the ultimate camera stick, and threw it out my sunroof to give a whole new perspective compared to the usual video you see of someone sticking their arm out the window with their cell phone. So what do you think? Pretty sure all the California drivers are really loving me because they're waving at me with their middle finger. They're so cool up here. I really think things are starting to look up in San Francisco. I only counted 17 homeless people on the bridge. I didn't have to hand over my wallet to anyone while I was enjoying the famous fish and chips at the wharf. And not one window in my Ford Maverick got smashed. Now that's what I call a successful day.
Winning.
I'm really grateful for all you awesome humans watching. Now if you're into some cool camera hacks, maybe you own a Ford Maverick, want to check out some things I've learned, or you just want to be part of our world adventures and check out some epic parts of the world, subscribe. Now here's the part where I pitch that little video up in the corner. Seriously, it's the best. It's way better than that bag of chips you're thinking about grabbing. Thanks for watching, you epic humans. Peace out, Hags World.